Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can plan safe biking and running routes by using Strava. I've previously made a video about how to do this using Google's My Maps and Google Maps tools. This time, we're going to use a tool that's specific for running and biking, and that's Strava. Now, I'm using my free Strava account. I've signed in, and I'm going to select the option to create a route. And Strava, like most apps these days, knows a little bit about me and my neighborhood, so it's landed me right here in the center of my neighborhood. But I'm going to zoom out a little bit and reposition the map. And now to plan the ride, I just simply click where I want to start and then click along the road for as far as I want to go. Now it's going to try to keep me on safe roads or trails, public trails, depending on your neighborhood. Now mine doesn't have any public trails to speak of, so it's trying to keep me on the road. And I'll just continue to click through here, and I'll click up to the top, and we'll go back up to the beginning, and just drag that right to where I started. Perfect. Now I'm done. Let's hit the save button. And you can see down here at the bottom, it's showing me the distance, the elevation gain, and an estimate of how long it's going to take to complete the ride. Let's put in the route. Let's call it the Paris Hill Loop. Nice loop up and over Paris Hill. Now I can make this private and no one can see it but me, or I'll make it public so that my friends and other followers on Strava can take advantage of the route that I've just planned. Hit that save button. We'll view the route. And from here, you can see that anyone who's viewing this route with that link, they can export it in various formats to use on their GPS devices. They can also just go in and print it out, and they hit the print button. We'll even see turn-by-turn directions and where those turns should happen. So that's how you can plan a safe biking or running route by using Strava. Now, Strava also has a companion app that you can use on your mobile device for keeping track of how quickly you have completed a course or completed a segment of a course that you've planned using the online version of Strava. The app is also free. So check it out at strava.com. Great way to plan your rides, plan your runs, and keep track of your progress. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com and practicaledtech.com.